Now you able to see my screen? Okay. This just want to create the arrays for particular tags. Just click on the data type. For initially you need to create on click on the edit tags and then click on the arrays, and in arrays you can insert the square bracket. Inside the square bracket, whatever how much you want array you want to create, you just enter the number, the 20. Here I want to just enter the I will just create as 20 tags. It will take 32, I think, because of the integer. It will follow the integer. Okay, just click it 32 because it is boolean. Here in the timer we can enter the 10. Okay, now motor tags, you have 32 tags. Start button I have 32 tags. Stop have 32 tags, and the timer you have 10 tags. Now you go here, there is no start tag is available. Then you need to add your array tag, which is 0. Okay, here is also square bracket 0, square bracket 0, and the timer is not also available. Then we need to select as a timer 1, timer 0, and here also we need to change the timer tag into the 0. You can drag it and drop here. Also motor tag is also on 0. Okay, now I want to copy this, and I will just go to the Excel and create multiple runs at a time. How we can create, we will see. Just open the Excel. Just paste it, copy, copy. How you can copy? Click it here, just copy this text, go to the Excel, Control B, and you can copy it multiple times. Okay, but if you have same tag name, you need to change the tag name. There is a different method to replace the tags. You can replace uh, square bracket 0 with a square bracket 1. Find and replace. here I need to change it to replace. You can replace it by using directly 0 and 3 like this also. Replace 4 plus 5 replace 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus. Okay. Right now we just going to import this 9 tags because right now we have only 9 timers. Just copy and go to your program and click it here and just sorry, click it here, just click, hit enter. Now you see the multiple programs is created. Now you can download it to your controller. Go online and download. Okay, but all other tags don't have the preset value. We need to set it, that preset value. We can go offline or online into the controller tags and the timer. To configure the preset value also we can create one tag, is the preset. Preset is the double integer, and here we can give the description as a timer preset. Timer preset value, and here I going to create the array for it. Right now because of online mode I am not able to create array. Just go to the description, edit properties, and here we can create the arrays. 10 till I'm not able to create, then I need to go offline. Now we can see to create. Okay, now array is created. Now I will just configure that the value of that array is constant value. I will just configuration, and the value I will just put as 2000. Then in the program you can configure that preset here. In bracket, get 0. Okay, for create the preset we need to create one preset move instruction. Here we are creating the move. Create move. Here we need to add source preset 0 and destination is timer 1 in bracket 0 dot preset. Then we can able to transmit this value into the preset. For to creating multiples I will just copy it and paste it into the Excel. I will just find and replace. Just copy it and go to your controller tags, click here and Control V and enter. There is some mistake. Okay, there is a bracket mistake, that's why we are not able to paste. Just if you have any query regarding this. Multiple tag creation. Okay, I have tried. And there is another method is there. You can export uh, your routine, and that routine also we can import into the Excel, and there also we can do the some modification and again input it into the back. Then we can download. Okay. Then next task for the alias, we can do alias programming. Mm, go offline. If you've done all things, we can move forward for the IO models adding here, that import, and that I will do it later. Just new model 150 1756